The forest parks and cliffs are characterized by a network of nature trails. These provide a good opportunity for recreation and jogging. When following a nature trail, you observe the diversity of the changing landscape, the vegetation, and the fauna of harsh rocks, forests, beaches, and swamps. Viewing areas offer opportunities for admiring the archipelago and the life of birds. Mother Nature continuously provides something enjoyable in every season. In Kotka, efforts striving towards a better town environment continue. The newest notable target is the development of the riversides of Karhula and Jumalniemi. This river park will consist of about 3 kilometers of versatile riverside. Most of the park will be natural riverside trails, but it will also include a very well-built special park with lily ponds, brooks, sculptures, and impressive plants. So there we have it, Kotka, a very special city of parks.